right. Well, hey guys, this is Neil. I'm here with my Alesis 49-key Midi keyboard. This is a Midi controller I have purchased directly from Alesis. I bought it on their website. Retails for $250, and it looks pretty sick. So I am excited to open it up. Here we go. So it's fairly standard large package. Packaging list enclosed. Shipping address also shipped from Reno, Nevada here to New York, Manhattan. Advanced 49-key USB MIDI pad keyboard. All right. Let's see what we got here. Take my scissors. Taped up. More stuff to play with. I love bubble pop. Alright, bubble wrap. Here we go. Box inside a box. Massive motherfucker. Oh my god. Here it is. Alesis VI49 Advanced 49-key USB MIDI keyboard controller. Put this box to the side. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Cool. Nice packaging. Very well protected. Let's see here. There we go. So, here it is. Cable and keyboard, and that's it. It is pretty easy to push the keys. Anything else in this thing? No, that's it. Just some information. And there's a download code in here for Ableton Live Lite. I'm excited to use. Been wanting that for a while. And instructions, software download instructions. That's pretty much it. These foam boys and the keyboard. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Looks sexy, doesn't it? I chose this version because I did not want a 25 key board. I didn't want to be limited by, a couple octaves of keys. 3 octaves. This way I have much more, 49 keys. Roughly 6 octaves and a ton of knobs. 12 knobs, 36 buttons, octave up, tempo roll, pitch modulators, trigger pad with 16 pads, 16 triggers, in case you can't see. And they just taped down the keyboard with a plastic that I just removed. So you can see the trigger pads, the modulators, knobs, and the keys. Alright, I'm excited to get started. And hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will post another one once I start writing music with it.